Mr. Grass Owl. At ayan siya folks. At syempre andito din si Kuya Siren of Candy Boy. Ready ka na? Ayan siya guys. Wait lang ng bulat pa. Alright. And there you go. Okay, once again folks, that is Kali, our Eastern Grass Owl. So guys, grass owls are predator birds. Did you know that they can able to turn their heads 270 degrees? Grass owls are nocturnal animals, gentlemen. Their very large eyes allow them to collect as much light as possible during nighttime when they hunt. Fun fact about this animal, they are the quietest birds when they are in flight. Hindi po natin maririnig ang kaniyang mga papak kapag siya ay lumilipad. Palakpakan po natin si Kali po. So, syempre, ang ganda personal trainer na si Kuya Siren. Once again, thank you so much. Kali, ayan, umuwi na sila. Exit stage left. Now, let's proceed na agad sa ating next raptor. But before that, upo na muna tayo mga guys, again. Alright, again, upo na muna tayo. Okay, para makapag-proceed tayo guys. Okay, at ayan na. Ready na. Now, ang ating second raptor. Now, may I call on Lakas, our white-bellied CEO. Okay, and there you go. Once again guys, that is Lakas, our white-bellied CEO with Pula. Excellent, syempre. May pag-reviewing yan. Again, if you want to take some photos or videos po, guys, pwede po. Basta folks, laging yung tatandaan, paki-turn off lang po sa ating mga flash. Ayun, si Ma'am dun, nasa picture, Ma'am, paki-turn off lang po sa flash natin. Pwede po mag-take ng pictures and videos, guys. Basta huwag yung kakalimutan, paki-turn off lang po sa ating mga flashes. Kasi nabi-distract po sila yun, guys. Okay? Alright, once again, folks, this is Lakas, our white-bellied CEO. With a sign giving them up, Haliatus Leopoldster. Leopold meaning white and gaster meaning belly. That's why they call them the white-bellied CEO. White-bellied CEO are commonly found near coastal areas of Australia, India, and Philippines. The white-bellied CEO are the second largest eagle here in the Philippines because their wingspan can reach up to 2.2 meters or 7.2 feet. So ganyan po kalapad ang kanyang mga pakpak, lalo na pag nasa adult size na si Lakas po. Alright now guys, in the Philippines, we have 51 species of raptors, but here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, we have 4 species of raptors, namely the Brahminicide, the white-bellied sea eagle, the Philippine serpent eagle, at syempre ang ating Eastern Grass Owl. At guys, palakpakan po natin sila kasi dahil po Lakas muna. Ayan, syempre ang personal trainer na si Kuya Dexter. Ay, wait lang. Ayan, pabuli muna natin sila kasi Kuya Dexter. There you go. Alright, and once again folks, palakpakan po natin sila. Thank you so much, Kuya. Alright. Now guys, our next animal ambassador, ito po, they call them the alarm clock of the rainforest. Dakalaw, the Philippine Great Hornbill, na si Mr. Bill. Now, come here po, yan syempre, si JJ. Ayan, once again folks, that is Mr. Bill and JJ, our Philippine Great Hornbill, with a scientific name of Buceros mindanensis. Minda meaning Mindanao, and ensis meaning belonging to. Therefore, belonging to Mindanao. As you can see guys, their bills or ang kanilang mga tuka, it comprises 30% of its body. And also they have long and beautiful eyelashes po. Kung makikita nyo sa malapitan, ang kanilang mga pilik mata. Girls, legit na legit yan ha, hindi sila nagpa-eyelash extension. Alright, now guys, ngayong hapon, magpapakitang gila sila gamit ang kanilang mga tuka. But before that, I have a job for you to follow muna na folks at the count of 3. You need to shout fly. Okay, what's the word?
Fly!
Let's practice first. 1, 2, 3, and...
Fly!
Come on, more energy. 1, 2, 3, and...
Fly!
Kaya ng ating mga bisita, mga kuya, Kuya Michael, Kuya Jimar. Ready na ba ang ating mga kalaw na folks? Prepare your cameras, mabilis lang to at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and... Fly! What a perfect catch! Mr. Bill and JJ. Alright, now guys, when you see a hornbill doing that in the wild, you are so very lucky because they're actually in mating season. So nanliligaw po ang lalaking kalaw na gumagawa niyan. Mas maraming insekto na nag-aats ni lalaking kalaw ay mas mataas ang chance na sasagutin siya ni ate girl na kalaw. And did you know that they call them monogamous? Monogamous meaning, once they find a partner in the wild, they will stay with them forever.
Wow!
Sana all talaga folks. Subuti pa sa ating mga kalaw na may forever. Gusto mga single ladies out there, kung naghahanap kayo ng forever ha, so alam na natin, nandito lang ang...
Kala!
Ano? Nandito lang ang... Hindi, sa mga trainers. Eh, joke lang folks. So sila guys, magpapakita sila. Now guys, at the count of 3. 1,
Wow.
2, 3, and... Fly! And that is our Philippine Great Hornbill, or also known as the Galaw. The alarm clock of the rainforest because they make noise every morning, noon, and afternoon. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga kalaw. Siyempre na Kuya Michael at Kuya Jima. Alright, now folks, five-buckle hornbills, unlike those birds walk from place to place, hornbills actually hop from place to place or tumatalong sila as their secondary means of locomotion. And guys, our next animal ambassador, ito po, makulay po ito. At galing pa po itong Brazil, particularly the Amazon forest. Now, may I call on Barak.
Kana sa i-video ayaw ni ipangulam sa niya. Pangulam sa niya.
Yeah, there you go. Once again, guys, that is Barak, our blue and gold macaw, with a scientific name of Ararauna, meaning genius. So why are they called geniuses? Because they have the mental capacity of a 4-year-old child. So magkasing talino lang ni Barak, ang 4 na taong gulang na bata. Just like most other parents, guys, si Barak ay may tinatawag na zygodactyl feet. So what is zygodactyl feet niya ba? Papakita yan ni Barak using a Filipino footwear called kadam-kadam. Alright, na Barak. Suot.
Wow!
Yeah. Marja.
Wow!
To the front, to the back, and now we left to grab items. So marching boy, left, right, and bump, good boy.
Wow!
Bora ka siyempre, dahil dyan, may pa-high five tayo to Kuya Richie. Now high five Barak to Kuya Richie up here. And there you go. One more, isa pa. And there you go.
Wow!
Ano mo folks, napaka-sweet at lambing nito ni Barak guys. Okay, tingnan yung folks ha. Okay na Barak. Kiss to Kuya Richie. Ikaw may sa pisngi. Bigyan na kiss to Kuya Richie sa pisngi.
Wow!
Nabiting pa si Kuya Richie na Barak! Nabiting pa si Kuya Richie, mahawat kiss natin ulit si Kuya Richie. Pero hindi na sa cheeks, hindi na sa pisngi. Tanong tayo sa mga guys, saan gusto nyo i-kiss si Kuya Richie guys? Saan gusto nyo?
Sa lips!
Alam ka Kuya Richie, hindi mo yun. Okay, eto na. Na Barak, sa lips daw. Kiss natin si Kuya Richie sa lips. Sige daw ulit.
Wow!
At syempre folks, hindi rin magpapahuli yung host. Kiss din ako Kuya Richie sa lips. Joke lang guys. Now guys, at tingin lang yan, si Barak ay isang eco-warrior din. Who here segregates their trash? Sino sa inyo dito ang nagsesegregate na kanilang mga basura? Ano ang taas kamay? Nagsesegregate na we have ate, si Kuya. How about the others? Ay, ano? Alam niyo ba, hindi ka nagsesegregate? Ano po, ngayong hapon tuturuan tayo ni Barak paano mag-segregate na kanilang basura. So, anong nandyan Kuya Richie? Siyempre, ang ating basurahan, we have a biodegradable bin na bubulong po. And also we have a non-biodegradable bin or hindi na bubulong po at mukhang ayan na, check din ni Barak yung dalawang basurahan natin. Kuya Richie, ready na si Barak. Kuya Richie at the count of 3, labang ka basura. 1, 2, 3, and go.
Wow!
Alright now guys, ang bubulong bubulong ni Barak folks, a piece of plastic which is gonna go to the non-biodegradable bin. Goodbye. Yung pangalawang kukunin ni Barak. It's another, or wait, no, it's another piece of plastic na naman which is gonna go to the non-biodegradable bin. Nagalawang basura po eh. And this time, a piece of leaf dahon which is gonna go to the Pioneer Ring. The ball bin at one piece of trash na boy. Leave her down. Saan nga ba ilalagay ang dahon? To the Pioneer Ring. Palapakan po natin si Barak po. Sa see guys, kung kaya ni Barak mag-segregate ng basura, syempre ay kaya din natin folks, no? Sana ay tularan po natin si Barak folks. Now guys, at dahil galing pa ng Brazil si Barak, magpapaalam na po siya ng mga ma'am and sir, mga ates, mga kuyas. Wave bye-bye to Barak Napaw. Wave bye-bye everyone. Wave bye-bye. Alright, at Barak nag-bye-bye na sila. Sino na Barak? Tayo rin mag-bye-bye na din tayo na bye-bye. Wave bye-bye na Barak. Wave bye-bye sa kanila. Wait lang. Barak, wait. Okay. Barak, isa. Bye-bye. Hala. Anong yan, Kuya Richie? Barak, wave bye-bye. Isang bye-bye na. Okay, sige na. Wave bye-bye. Anak ako. Ayaw niya Kuya Richie. Last lang yun. One more time. Wave bye-bye. Ako, ibig sabihin niya, folks. He wants to stay in the show po. But again, guys, we need to highlight our other animals naman po. Okay, once again, folks, that is Barak, our blue and gold macaw with Kuya Richie. Palakpakan po natin silang dalawa. Thank you so much to the both of you. Okay, by the way, folks, blue and gold macaw are the fourth largest macaw in the entire world. First is the blue hyacinth macaw. Now guys, our next animal ambassador, kung makulay po si Barak, puti-puti po ang ating next nating tatawagin. Just like a cloud. The may I call on Beauty.
Wow.
And there you go. Once again, guys, that is Beauty, our sulfur crested cockatoo with the scientific name of Kakatua delirata. And it can be found in Australia and New Guinea. Now guys, sulfur crested cockatoo use their crest as an indication if they are happy or mad. Ang mga sulfur crested cockatoo spread their wings and lift their crest as part ng kanyang panliligaw sa babaeng cockatoo, but it also an act of discouraging other male to court. Female sulfur crested cockatoo at yung hapon guys, ipapakita yan ni Beauty. Alright now Beauty, show them what you've got girl. Paano manligaw isang sulfur crested cockatoo? Now spread your wings and there you go. Okay, isa pa. One more na eh. Mga ba sila? Okay, one more. Isa pa eh. There you go. Now guys, as part of Beauty's enrichment, cockatoos move in branches as a form of exercise and playing around to ease their boredom. Kuya Siren, anong gagawin ni Beauty kapag siya'y namamapot? Ang guys. Yeah, there you go. That is the natural behavior po. So, ginagawa nila yan sa wild guys kapag sila ay nababangon po. And lastly, just like any other parrots, Beauty also has a zygodactyl feet just like Barak. At once again, ipapakita ulit yan ni Beauty. Now Beauty, what is zygodactyl feet nga ba? And there you go, once again guys, that is zygodactyl feet in action po. Two in the front, two in the back, allowing them to grab items. At syempre, hinihilan nila syempre kasama na rin yung treats. And that's all for Beauty muna folks. Palakpakan po natin sila. At syempre si Kuya, sign lang kami yung personal trainer. Alright now folks, eto na. Moving on agad tayo sa ating next animal ambassador. Kung pure white si Beauty, ito po. Pure black po ang next nating tatawagin. Now may I call on George. Yeah, there you go. Once again folks, that is George. Our black cockatoo, or also known as the Gulayat cockatoo po. And it can be found in Australia, New Guinea, and Indonesia. And folks, unfortunately, almost 100,000 hectares of their home are being destroyed. So saan nga ba nakatira isang lapang cockatoo? Look guys, they live in tropical rainforest po. And this day, George will show us how to help her restore his zone by showing us how to plant a tree. So, tatanim daw si George ngayong hapon. So, bago niya gagawin yan, syempre, ay dyan yung gagawin ni George. We have two swords at syempre, we have two branches. At mukhang ready na si George. Kaya dyan na Kuya Jimar, lapag na natin yung kahoy. Ayan na. Pulot. Ayan. Alright. Tingnan nyo guys ha, o saan natin itatanim, o saan natin ilalagay boy. Wait lang, ayan na siya guys. And there you go. O isa pa, may isa pa. Slowly but surely. And there you go. Ayan mo. Okay, alright. O last na yan. O saan natin itatagin doon sa empty soil. And there you go. Palakpakan po natin si George. Thank you so much, George, we're helping our Mother Earth. Now guys, little fun fact, they use their nest using twigs and small branches. Unlike other cockatoos that they use their nest using twigs. At ngayong hapon po, ipapakita ni George ang kanyang nesting behavior by bringing a paper money. So bago natin gagawin yan, pipili tayo ng one adult volunteer ngayong hapon. Sino may gusto? Sino gusto mag-volunteer? Adult, tayo, kailangan natin adult. Sino gusto? Wala kang participate? Wala? Okay, sino? Si ma'am? Gusto mo ma'am? Ayun si ma'am na nakatayo. Ayan, relax ma'am, ito lang gagawin mo ma'am. Dala ka lang ng paper money yan. Paper din ma'am. Okay, kahit 20 pesos or 50 pesos po ma'am. Okay. Meron ba? Meron ba Kuya Dexter? Okay, magdala ka lang po ng paper money. Don't worry po, ibabalik po yan ni George. Hindi po natin babayaran si George, guys. Okay, ayun, wait lang po na. Okay na po yan, ma'am. O, ayan, okay na yan. Okay, dito po tayo, ma'am. Alright, guys, palakpakan po natin si ma'am, please. Alright. Okay, ma'am. Doon ka po kay Kuya Richie, ha? And ma'am, just follow lang po sa instruction kay Kuya Richie natin po. Okay, ayan. Alright, hintay na muna natin. Ayan, i-instruct ko. Ayan, may pumabas po yung chike. Sabi ko naman po. Ayan, okay na. Okay na, ma'am. Are you ready? Basta ma'am, wag ko lang attempt hawakan si George. Okay na, ma'am. Are you ready? Now, George, get the paper money. And there you go. Ulo. Ayan, buwa. Pakinggan mo yung Jimar. Alright, now, ma'am, like I said kanina po, again, hindi po yan ililipan ni George. Ipapalit niya po yan sa'yo. Okay, huwag kayong magkalala. Okay, mabait naman po si George. Okay, now, George. Sa ulo na daw natin kay ma'am yung paper money na. Now, boy! And there you go. Balik. Ayan. Sige, Kuya Jimar. And ayun, ma'am. Thank you so much for participating. Uy, ma'am, kayo lang po. You can say back to your seat na po. And guys, before we say goodbye to George po, sana po ay pangalagaan po natin ang ating kalikasan po. So that's all for George. Palakpakan po natin sila. Siyempre, mga trainers, si Kuya Jimar and si Kuya Richie. Now guys, here in Davao Crocodile Park, we have 4 species of cockatoos po. 1 is the sulfur crescent cockatoo, 2 is the umbrella crescent cockatoo, 3 is the black pump cockatoo, and 4 is the bulukan cockatoo po. Now guys, our next animal ambassador, ito po, 3-in-1 po ito. But before that, I have a question, okay? Guys, first question. What animal is believed to have 9 lives? Cats. Pusa. Pusa Bisaya pa? Oh, second question. Listen carefully, alright? Second question. If Mickey is mouse, Donald is dog, what kind of animal is Winnie? Wait lang, anong klaseng hayop si Winnie? Sino nagsabi ng poo? Guys, walang poo na hayop, ha? Ayun talaga. Okay, anong klaseng hayop si Winnie? Bear. Oh, ito daw. Ayun talaga. Okay, last question. What kind of animal ang kamukha ng katabi niyo ngayon? Okay, joke lang, folks. But we're gonna guys, ang ating next animal ambassador, he has a face like a cat, the body like a bear, and a very impressive tail like a monkey. Now we direct that attention to your left side, and that is Teddy, our Palawan Bearcat. Ayan na siya po. So, okay, wala pa tayo mga kumay dyan. Palakpakan naman po. Alright, ayan na. Pumas na. And very good. Once again, guys, that is Teddy, our Palawan Bearcat. We decided to give them out our Tipis Pinturong, locally known as Pinturo, guys. The folks, did you know that their tail can act as a pivot, meaning it is prehensile in nature. The definition of prehensile is being able to grab. So they can grab sa mga object na kasi galing lang ng ating mga kamay. Yes po, ganyan ang kanyang tail. Same sa mga monkeys. At diba, makita yan ni Teddy ngayong hapon po. Alright, now Teddy, are you ready to down? Ayan tayo na siya, guys.
Wow!
There you go. That is prehensile tail in action po. They're doing that in the wild to get some fruits hanging from a branch. Palakpakan po natin si Teddy Thomas. Now folks, may direct your attention to your right side na naman. And that is Uno,
Wow.
the older brother of Sandy. Once again guys, that is Uno, our other Palawan Bearcat. Now guys, Palawan Bearcat are endemic here in the Philippines. Meaning ng endemic po, dito lang po sila sa Pilipinas makikita, particularly sa Palawan. Hence their name, the Palawan Bearcat. And guys, the reason that there is bear in their name is because they are capable of standing up by using his two hind legs. At ipapakita yan ni Uno guys, and there you go. And that is two hind legs in action. So thank you so much, Uno. And folks, fun fact pala about Palawan Bearcat, their poop and their feet actually smells like fresh popcorn. Yes po, ganyan po ang amoy ng kanilang pupo guys. Once again, their poop and their feet actually smells like a fresh popcorn. And guys, they are omnivores. So, ibig sabihin, kumakain sila ng gulay, prutas, at karne. At ngayong hapon, Kuya Michael, binigay mo kay Uno ngayon. Pakita ko nga sa kanila, Kuya. O, ano? Okay, wait lang guys. O, ano yan, folks? Saging or banana, which is fruit. Once again, omnivore sila, ha? May tanong ulit ako sa inyo, folks. Anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain lang ng herbs or grasses? Herbivore. How about meat or karne?
Carnivore.
Carnivores. How about herbs, grasses, at karne? Omnivores. Galing nga. O, ito na ulit. Last question. Anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain lang ng fruits or prutas?
Vegivores, joke.
Nung narinig akong fruit salad. Sino nagsabi ng fruit salad? May sini fruit salad yung sagot, ha? Sino nakakalamtas kamay? Ha? Okay, ate, puro kang alam natin. Dito tayo kami, ate. Alright, let's help the audience. Alright, is that...
Kuya, pagkatulog. Ayaw na ko, anak ko. Ano ni cellphone ko? Ano cellphone?
Now, ate, anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain lang ng fruits or prutas?
O, sabi ko, hinaya lang.
Ayan, palapakan po natin si ate, guys. The correct answer is frugivore. Sige nga, kung nakikinig kayo, ano yon?
Frugivores.
Hindi fudgibar, ha?
Frugivore.
Okay, na pagdating sa kalmo, ang galing niyo. Okay, once again, frugivore. Okay, frugi meaning fruit, vor or voros meaning eater po. Okay, once again, frugivore or frugivorous. Okay. Alright now guys, perfect. That is back home na. Siyempre, Uno as well. Okay, pauwiin muna natin si Uno. Na mga kuya! Okay now guys, bago tayo mag-proceed no, sa ating next na mga ambassador, siyempre folks, magpapasalamat muna ako sa inyo guys. Folks, thank you so much for choosing Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo as one of your tourist destination here in Davao City. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Wala ba tayong nakakamay dyan? Walang pakalimutan. Kasi kung nakakalimutan mo, may finals pa tayo, 5:30 at mukhang okay naman yung panahon natin. Wala na yung ulan. Hindi naman yung ulan guys. So again, at exactly 5:30 p.m., we have fire dance pa po sa Tribo Kamiganawan, Bantawan area. For directions, just head on po dyan, sexy, and follow the sounds of the baby trucks yan sa labas po. Okay? Ay, ayan na, pauwi na si Uno. Now folks, eto na. To our next animal ambassador, sa mga inaantok dyan, alam kong inaantok na kayo guys. Again, sa mga inaantok dyan, mawawala talaga yung antok nito folks. Ito yung artistahin sa amin guys, ang idinitilian at ikinagkikiligan ng ating maraming kababaihan. Big fan favorite. Now may I call on Piolo. Palakpakan naman po. Okay, once again. Okay, palakpak. Alright, once again folks. Piolo. Wait lang, Piolo. Sino to? Daniel. Wow, Jan Lloyd. Mami. Kuya po. Kuya, kanina pa ba mga kuya?
Kinakakilig sa...
Folks, ulit-ulitin ko pong sabihin sa inyo. Once again po, we are still working with all animals. No, as much as want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior. Sabi kasi natin mga trainers guys, Nawala daw po si Piolo sa likuran, nakatakas daw po. So, sabi ng panahon ng guys. At sabi nila po, kung andito lang daw po sa ating harapan, maybe check under your seats na lang daw, Ben. Okay, so doon yung mga hanapin ang aming mga hayop, mapapagalitan po kami. At syempre, andyan yung mga keepers natin, guys, ay tumulong na. Ayan, tulungan nyo kami mga kuya. Syempre, kayo dyan, guys. And folks, kung ano mang makita nyo, just relax lang ha, and don't panic, okay? Alright, welcome for guys, ang kaya na Wait lang. Wait lang, kuya, diba? Pag si Piolo, diba tatlo yan, kuya? Asan yun? Mag-isa lang po yan. Guys, relax lang. Mag-isa lang po yan. Once again, folks, that is Piolo, our gentle giant, no? Ang ating Burmese python. You can touch it naman po. You can hold it. Don't worry, guys. It's already trained naman po. So, huwag kayong mag-alala. Huwag kayong matakot, guys. Sanay na po yan sa inyo. Sa mga bisita natin dito na hindi pa nakapag-experience, sumawak ng ahas.
Uy, mama!
Ayan, stay po na kayo dyan. Kasi si Kuya Richie lang po. Kasi siya po ang lalapit sa inyo. Alright, relax lang po kayo. Huwag kayong mag-alala.
Mama, dahil na lang po.
Be gentle lang po ha sa paghahawak. Folks, ito nakalimutan ko lang. Folks, konting paalala lang. Again po, konting paalala lang po. Pwede nyo pong hawakan ang ating ahas. Huwag lang po ang ating trainer. Okay.
Si trainer.
Okay, ayan, nakita muna natin si Kuya.
Pwede, awa ka ng ahas. Hindi, wag
Relax
ate.
lang, ma'am. Baka madama ka dyan, ma'am.
Ay, relax lang.
Masala. Relax lang, ma'am. Okay, ayan lang po. Magay naman po si Piolo. Pero mas mabait si Kuya Richie. Okay, ayan na. Okay. Alright now guys, before we go, this afternoon, I need
Alas,
one
mandi, ay,
adult
abla-
guest na naman po.
Walang tao. Anak sa
Pero guys, hindi ako yung mamimili ha. Si Kuya Richie lang. Kay Kuya Richie lang ako sumusunod, folks. Okay? Sino kayong maswerte nyo? Okay na, Kuya Richie? Okay lang. Okay. Na, Kuya Richie, sino pipiliin natin ngayong hapon?
Wala na yung namili mo, mamili.
Okay na. Ito lang, nasa malapit lang. Kuya Dex, Kuya Benjix. Si ma'am daw po na naka-white. Yes po, ikaw daw po, ma'am. Sino ikaw yung maswerte ang bisita ngayon, ma'am? Gaan, dito na po tayo, guys! Palakpakan po natin si ma'am. Ma'am, we promise you, it's already trained naman po. Sa inyo na yung opportunity, ma'am. Sayang. Okay, dito po tayo, ma'am. Sige na, we promise you. Dito naman po nakakagal si Piolo, ma'am. We promise you naman po. Okay, dito tayo, ma'am. Relax ka lang.
Ay, mama, ipahagwan daw na.
Alright now, guys, before we go, syempre, kilalanin muna natin ating magandang bisita ngayong hapon. Ma'am, introduce yourself. What is your name and where are you from po? Si Ma'am Hana from Laguna. Palakpakan po natin, guys. Alright now, Ma'am Hana. Are you ready? Ready ka na ba, Ma'am Hana? Okay, eto na, Ma'am. Okay, sundan mo lang si Kuya Richie. Okay, kung natatakot lang, pwede kang pumingin. Okay, ayan na. Relax ka lang, Ma'am. Okay, dahan-dahan lang Kuya Richie. Alright, eto na. Akin na, Ma'am. Open your head. Close your eyes. And twinkle, twinkle. Okay, o diba? O ganyan lang ako. And there you go naman sila, folks. That is Fiona, our gentle giant, ang ating Burmese python with the scientific name of Python bivitatus. They are the third largest species snakes in the world because they can reach up to 24 feet long and 90 kilograms. So Fiona here is weighing about nasa 8 to 9 kilograms. So medyo mabigat-bigat to ng konti si Fiona, guys. Okay, relax ka muna. Okay, wait lang. Hawakan mo. Okay, hawakan mo ulit. Huwag ka matakot. Namamahal na sino kasama natin ngayong hapon dito sa park. Okay, ito. Okay, hello po. Ma'am, take a lot of beautiful photos for her. Please pang-mali yung mga sa Facebook. pang-Instagram. Don't worry,
May ganun,
mga
mata ng lingkod.
non-venomous naman po ang ating ahas. So, ibig pong sabihin, hindi po nakakamatay ang kanyang kagat. But they are constrictor, meaning, sasakalin nila yung pagkain bago lalamunin ang buo. At tamang-tama po, gutom si Piolo ngayong hapon.
Baba!
Okay ka lang ba, Mama Hana? Napicture na ba natin po na Kuya Richie? We should be good na ba? Okay, we should be good na daw. Mama Hana, thank you so much for participating. You can say back your seat na po. Palakpakan po natin si Mama Hana. It's not mga brain ni Mama Hana. Okay now, folks. That's all for our show ngayong hapon, guys. Now, guys, here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, we have a mission. And that is to protect, to preserve, and educate people about these lovely animals. The moment you enter this facility, you are not just here to take some photos or videos or animals. You are already helping us with our mission. That's why a round of applause for yourself, please. Guys, once again, pakilala natin natin mga trainers. Kuya Richie with a stick. Kuya Jimmer with a cockatoo. Kuya Dexter with a kanaw. At syempre Ate Sai with a tip-box at doon sa taas na si Ate Mia. Once again, folks, at ang ating poking DJ na si Kuya Benji. Once again, folks, ay this Kuya Michael din pala with a Eastern grass. And once again, guys, name is Kuya Boy and we are Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo.